Here's how to change your email address on Facebook. Now open up the Facebook app if you're on iPhone, Android, or if you're on a computer, just go to facebook.com. Now we need to get to your settings to change that email address. So tap on menu at the bottom right and the gear icon at the top right. Now that we're in your settings, you have two different options. One is you can remove the old email address and add a new one, or you can always just have both email addresses and set the new one as the primary. I'll show you how to do both of those. Now to get into change it, we need to hit the See More in Account Center and then tap on Personal Details. After we're in here, you'll be able to see it says contact info, including your phone number and email address. So tap on contact info, and then of course, you can see both the email address and phone number. Now, first we'll tap add a new contact and add an email address. Now on here, all you need to do is enter in that new email address here, and you can choose whether this is just for Facebook or for Instagram as well as Facebook, depending on what your preference are. After you've done that, you will need to verify or get that code emailed to you to change it. And after you've done that, you can always go back and tap on your old email and choose to either keep your old email address on there or just tap on delete email and delete it if you don't need that old email on your account anymore.